going to show you about the Bitmojis.
You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Because they're so fun. You can make stickers or cut them out of vinyl. And as you can see, this one, this is my Bitmoji, is just for print and cut. I can make this into stickers at any size I want, stick them on anything I want. I would cut them out of printable vinyl. I love Cricut's printable vinyl. It's amazing for stickers like this. And then this one I made by uploading it into Design Space, and I'm going to show you how I did that. This is also kind of like a print and cut outline. This is just an outline. And then this one has an outline with less detail on the hair, so it has different things. Now, I did a video on this 4 years ago on a Bitmoji, uploading it to Design Space, but Design Space has changed a lot since then, so I thought it was time to do another one. And this can be used with any pictures uploading it. This is how you upload images with more than one layer. You do not have to turn it into an SVG. A lot of people asked, where do you get the emojis? Actually, you can get it on your computer now. You can go to bitmoji.com, or on my phone, I wanted to show you, this is the app that I have. So if you're not familiar with Bitmoji, it's Bitmoji, Bitmoji. And I'm just gonna click open. And then you have all these pictures. There's tons of them. You can go to different ones. Down here they have different ones. So I think these are a lot of fun. I'm gonna upload a different one today. Good day. I like this one because it's coming out from the side with my arm out, like saying hi. So we're gonna click on that. For me, on my computer, because I have iMac, I can just click this button and it sends it to my computer. But you can save the image to your phone. You can send it on Facebook. You can message it, email, Messenger, there's the email, shared photos. You can copy it, you can print it, you can use it as a Apple Watch face. So if you just want to send it to yourself, email it, or you can even post it on Facebook and keep it as private for only you to see if that's what you want to do. So I just sent it to my computer this way. And then we're gonna go to Design Space and I'll show you how to upload it. You can customize the emoji in the app. So we're gonna go to Design Space. So that's what I did, I customized it. So when you have a blank canvas, go to Upload, the very bottom button. And these are the ones I've uploaded. I tried to do the eyes, but I didn't really like it with the eyes. So each one of these are a different one. Like this one, I made the skin color. This, I made the purple shirt. This, I made pink. This is the white of the eyes. This is the pink of the lips. This is the blue of the hair. So you have to upload it for each image. So I'm gonna click Upload Image. I'm gonna go browse. It's in my downloads because when you send it to yourself, it goes straight to downloads. So there it is. And I'm gonna go to complex and I'm going to hit continue. Now I don't want this good day in here. I only want the part with me. So I'm going to use this crop feature and just crop that down to that part. We're gonna use the magic wand, get rid of the white background, get rid of that and that. And we're gonna use the eraser. I'm gonna make it a little bigger and erase all of that. Now, if I wanted to do this as a sticker, I would keep it just as this. Let's go ahead and do that. And we can see there's two little parts here that need to be taken out. And I can't see them, but they are there. So I'm gonna go like this and then click preview. Oh, there's one right there. So erase that, preview. Looks pretty good. Okay, so we're gonna continue. This one I'm gonna save as a print and cut. Melody, I'm gonna say hi because it looks like I'm saying hi. Okay, so that's the one I have. If I just want to do print and cut, I'm done. But we wanna do layers, like in this one. So we can do it in vinyl in different colors, or you can just do this part too. So we'll do this part next. So we're gonna upload image, browse, click the same image, complex. Now you can change this so it's less colors. Let's try this one. Crop it. and magic wand it. So we only want, you can play around with getting different colors. I'm going to zoom in. Whoops, undo. Nope, don't want that. I guess like that might work. Let's preview it because this will not be print and cut. So it'll look like that. So let's get rid of these. I sometimes just leave it full color. Uh-oh. And because I changed the colors, I can't get rid of the shirt because it's the same color as the outline. Okay, and how I did the eyes before is I just put little holes in there, but let's see how this looks. Because those eyes aren't big enough, so I like to make the eraser all the way down. That's better. Okay, zoom out. Eraser, make it a little bigger. So I think that looks pretty good. I'm going to save Melody, High, Outline. So if I ever need to search these, I can search that. Oh, you know what I did? I saved it as a print and cut and not a cut image. So I can bring it in here, size it to whatever I want, and change it to a cut image. So there's the cut image, and you can make that any color you want. Oh, and look, there's a piece up here I missed. So if there's pieces like that, you can click on them here. I also go through and delete like pieces like this. See this piece? It's for this tiny little dot right here. None of us want to deal with that tiny little dot. So I just get rid of those pieces. Let's see what this one is. This is another tiny little dot. You can tell it's a tiny little dot because the black around it is so thick. The thicker the black is, the smaller the actual image is. That's in the eye. I think I want to keep that. Okay. Okay, so now we want colors. So we're going to click upload again. Upload the same image again. Complex. We can make it smaller if we want. Crop it down. The crop really helps when you're only doing one section. So let's just go ahead and just do the hair. So we're going to crop only the hair. Okay, and we're going to get rid of everything else. Let's zoom in. I'm going to do erase because we're really erasing a lot. There goes my face. Okay, now my eraser's too big. Let's get rid of this. Uh-oh. I got rid of too much. Making the eraser a little smaller. I'm just going to erase all this down here. And we're going to hit preview. Missed a little right here. Preview. That looks good. So I'm going to hit continue. We're going to save this as a cut. Even though it's gray, of course it's not what we want, but you can change it to any color you want. So let's upload. Oh, I wanted to upload it to the file. So we're going to size it to fit my head. And we're going to change it to pink. Move this one on top. There we go. See, that wasn't very hard. Now you can do the same thing with everything else. Let's go back up to upload, upload image, browse, same picture. Let's do the shirt. So we're going to crop it. So we're only doing the shirt. And magic wand. Even taking out my little arm. Oh, that's tiny. Let's zoom in. Whoops. Whoops. I might just be leaving them. Oh yeah, that's not good. There we go. No, forget it. We're just gonna leave the lines in. Okay, we're gonna preview. That looks good. Well, you know what? I'm gonna get rid of these lines. So it will be just the inside of the shirt. Let's try to get rid of that too. Okay, so now we have all these little pieces. I'm just gonna erase those. Okay, continue. We want to, we got some right here. I'm gonna take care of. I don't know why I didn't see that. Okay, there's a spot right there too, but we're gonna keep it in. Oh, I can't even see it. Oh, I should have named that. So here's my shirt. Let's make it another color. So I can put this right over that. And, oh, you know what? I need my face, like my face color. So let's upload again. Let me show you that. This is an easy one. So we're going to get rid of the background, get rid of this little spot right there, and we're going to erase the good day. I hope you're all having a good day. And we're done. Let's preview. Ooh. Let's delete these pieces. All right, there's one little piece. I'm going to show you how to get rid of it. So we're keeping this as this, and I'm going to type Melody Hi Face. So this is the background of my image. So we're going to bring this in. We're going to make it the right size. And see that little spot there? We're going to hit contour, and we're going to get rid of that spot right there. So now that's gone. We're going to change the color of this to some skin tone. There we go. And we're going to arrange it to the back. So now I need white eyes, and we're going to upload. Same picture. Complex, continue, crop. Oh. Not that. Undo. Crop. Actually, this will be pretty easy, I think. I just want the white of the eyes. So I'm getting the whole part of the eyes. Like I'm leaving the green and stuff in there just because I'm going to make it a cut image anyway. So comment, how do you guys think you can do this? There's a spot there. Let's delete that. Okay, we're gonna save as a cut. Melody eyes. Save. Bring it in. Make it bigger. Whiten it up. Send it to the back. Arrange to back, arrange forward. There we go. And then, oh, I could do the same thing with the teeth and make those white. And I can make the lips pink if I want. But do you guys get it? Is this easy? Somebody asked, how do you make it look like you? In the app, you can set it up and you make it look like you. You can even take a selfie of yourself and look at your selfie and try to make it match. Okay, guys, I was playing around in Design Space and this is what I came up with. I was having a lot of fun with this. If you want to see how I poked my thumb through the scissors, like this video and comment below and let me know, and we'll do that in Saturday's live Design Space class. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. And here's a shout out to a few of the people who support my channel on Patreon. Stephanie, Tamara, Cassandra, Kim, Sherry, Maria, Christy, Mel, Sharon, Mercedes, Julie, Lindsay, Tina, Debbie, Susan, Samantha, Claudette, Jen, Darla, Heather, Kathy, Julie, Megan, Zoila, Nisha, Samantha, Naomi, Sharon, Lydia, Carolyn, Marla, Juanita, Annette, Jody, Tammy, Kim, Ebony, Linda, Audrey, Stacy, Carol, Donna, Betty, Gloria, Gina, Karen, and Dee. And a special thank you to those of you who co-sponsor my videos. Thank you so much. And thank you everybody for subscribing and watching to the end. I love you and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.